Any card that you want, can you please get any card that you want? Ayun, show it to everybody. Show it to the kids. Ayan, show it to the kids. Yeah, to make it personal, gusto ko, write your name. Pwede ko makita, okay lang naman. Write your name big, malaking malaki. Diyan. Yes, write it big. Super big. Yun, thank you. Yun. Yes! Yes! Hi, Padania! Ayan, mamati ka pala yung kamay mo. Ayan. Oh, hold this again. Now, we do the next magic. Ah. What's wrong again? Huh? What? What? Oh, ah! What happened here? We use another one. Everyone say bigger one. So this time we use the bigger one. What is Elia? We call this one. Wala ito, lagit kayo. This is super big. Elia. Wait lang. Natanggal eh. Screw lang yan, screw. Alright. Sige, we open the magic box. And here, what's that? What's that? It's a what? The mouth of the snake, there is a what? What's this? Ano yung meron sa mouth of the snake, Elia? It's a card. Do you want to see what's the card? What's the card? There's a card. Nakita, mami? At the mouth of the snake, we get the card. Nakita mo, mami, yung card? We get the card right here. Oh! We get the card. We open the card. Walk slowly. And the card at the mouth of the snake is none other than this your card. Everybody, clap your hands for Aliyah and Mami. Thank you. You can have this as a souvenir. Ito po yung card nila. Thank you. You can have this as a souvenir. Thank you.